Okay, this is a very high quality chair. It does rotate 360 degrees. Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this gaming chair from the manufacturer to do a review. It does require some assembly, but it's very easy to do. So let's take a few moments and I'll show you all the features of the chair. Okay, let's take everything out of the box. Once everything is out of the box, we'll take the base. It has 5 legs. So assemble each of those legs using 2 screws per leg. Put the casters on the bottom to allow the chair to roll. Place the center post in, hydraulic lift, and then the adjustable mechanism on the bottom of the seat will adjust the height of the chair as well as the tilt. Then install the padded footrest on the bottom of the chair, and that just simply lifts in and out, stores underneath the seat. Then place the T-bar on the back of the seat, back seat. This will be inserted into the seat itself. And then you just tighten that up. Then you put the arm rest on the left side and the right side, 2 screws per armrest. Then slide the seat into that center post. Once that's in place, you have the seat assembled together. Comes with a headrest pad that you can use. It fastens to the back, as well as a back pillow. Okay, this is a very high quality chair. It does rotate 360 degrees. As you can see, it will adjust up and down 4 inches. It will also tilt back 90 to 135 degrees, and I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. The seat is 20.5 inches by 19.7 inches, so it's very comfortable, very wide seating. You have 17.7-inch armrests that are ergonomically designed for comfort. You have a pillow that can be used or not used. It's just attached here on the back. You do have a back pillow that's provided, and inside you have a plug and the extra cord provided. It also comes with a massage pillow. All you have to do is plug it in. You have this little side pocket here on the side. You do have a retractable footrest. You just pull that out and flip this over, and you can rest your feet or legs on this, and then just rotate that back, slide that back in. You do have 2 adjustable knobs here on the bottom right side of the chair. This one will adjust the height of the chair up 4 inches or down 4 inches. And as I stated earlier, the chair will tilt back 90 to 135 degrees, and it will adjust as your back leans forward or backwards. If you wanted to lock that position, into place, just press this knob down, and then your backrest will stay in its current position. And then to release it, just pull the knob back up, and the chair will retract as you lean forward or backwards. The chair is very stable. It's on 5 different legs. Each leg has rolling casters that are very heavy duty, so it's very easy to roll. Then you have this footrest that can be used a number of ways. You could just flip it over. You can use it to rest your devices here, or again, lean back and use it for a foot or leg rest. Then to store it, just flip the rest over, slide it underneath the chair. This seat is equipped with several different cushion type springs that makes it firm, but yet soft and durable, easy to clean fabric. I think this chair is very comfortable for just about any office setting or use in gaming. So I highly recommend this gaming chair.